In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Slack in Mac OS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Slack Mac download. We'll be having the official link from slack.com. Just click here, and here we are having Slack for Mac. Click on the download. The download will be getting started. It is around 193 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we just need to drag and drop Slack into applications. We'll be copying Slack to applications. Once that is done, just go to apps and search for Slack. We'll be having it. Open it, and we can simply click open for this, and we'll be getting the Slack app. You can simply sign in if you are existing user. If you don't have an account, you can simply click create a new workspace. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me